So you want to update the look of your headlights. Removing this amber piece of plastic is a cheap and effective way of doing that. But before we begin, there's a few steps you'll have to do to catch up. I put a link in the description below to a step-by-step video covering all that. Once caught up, your headlights should look a little something like this. Before we go any further, I want to let you guys know I put Amazon links in the description below for replacement lenses and compatible bulbs for your headlights. Now I imagine the proper way to do this has something to do with removing the T20 bolts from underneath the blinker housing, as well as the T20 bolt on top of the blinker housing, which seems to be impossible to reach without breaking off this plastic tab. Luckily, there are many ways to exterminate this piece of plastic. Introducing
the tools. The handsaw. The drill.
The first thing I did was make a weak point in the plastic. Now you may not have to do this, but I did it anyway. Then I grabbed my drill and a drill bit and began drilling out the center of the amber. I did this again on the weak point I had made. Once the plastic had failed, I began tearing it apart with a pair of angled needle nose pliers. I did this until I was able to just pull it out. Keep in mind there are many different ways to do this, but the goal remains the same. Remove this orange piece of plastic without damaging your headlights too much. This is just the approach I happen to take. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, please smash that like button and consider subscribing. I will see you in the next video.